Hi, this is David Haber, Turf Equipment Supply Company, Golf Irrigation Service Tech. This is the October 2020 video update. Autumn is here, so now it is time to consider having your fountain serviced by our technicians. We are Otterbein factory trained service technicians that can handle all the necessary maintenance, so you are guaranteed to be ready to drop it back in the pond this spring. Visit our website for more information or to request winter service. As the days grow shorter and the temperatures subside heading into the fall, it is a great time to talk to your customers about landscape lighting. Homeowners and commercial businesses are looking to enjoy outdoor spaces after sunset. Landscape lighting can do far more than simply illuminate a landscape or structure. It can add or extend living space, promote a safe environment, and creates the wow factor that makes a statement and is inviting to people. If you are new to landscape lighting, we have a multitude of resources that can help you get started in one of the fastest growing sections of the landscaping industry. Call us today or visit our website for more details.
Turf Equipment Supply Company is proud to offer a service to enhance the operation of your Toro Pro Core 648. Our factory trained service technicians are ready to service your machine and prepare you for the next aeration. During the inspection process, suggestions for repair or an estimate will be presented. In addition to the services offered within this program, our technicians will be happy to assist you with your tine selections. Call our service department today to schedule your service.
If you are a MyTurf Pro customer, October is your chance to load up on savings. During the month of October, MyTurf Pro customers receive Toro maintenance parts sale pricing on all orders placed through MyTurf. Take advantage of last year's pricing today on thousands of genuine Toro replacement parts. Not registered for MyTurf Pro yet? Enroll at www.myturf.com.
The solution for your fall aeration needs is the Ventrac AERA-vator EA600. Whether it be by foot or vehicle, traffic, sporting events, or other stresses, turf compaction is easy to spot and even easier to fix with this attachment. The Ventrac AERA-vator vibrates its heavy-duty tines with powerful efficiency as it fractures the turf surface with simultaneously overseeding. With no cores to pick up, the turf is ready for immediate use after treatment. Contact your territory manager for more details. Up your productivity and profitability with a sprayer designed to deliver precision on any size job. The Residential Landscape Contractor group has a complete line of zero-turn sprayers to meet your specific need. From the Spraymaster XL down to the Spraymaster Junior, we have models designed to navigate tight landscapes, wide open spaces, and anything in between. With fast forward speeds, a large material hopper, and the ability to easily check fluid levels with the new white spray tanks, you can count on spending less time refilling and more time covering ground. Contact your territory manager for more details. Please remember that all Turf Equipment and Supply Company locations will be closed on Friday, October 30th, so that we can perform our annual physical inventory. We appreciate your patience and understanding so we can serve you even better. Please don't hesitate to give us a call and we can help you plan ahead. And that's the Turf Equipment Supply Company video update for October 2020. Visit our website at www.turf-equipment.com for all your upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.